Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company, we have for sale an Oliver scroll saw. This unit is designed and heavily used in the steel ruled die industry, but basically it's just a large scroll saw. Oliver Machinery is no longer in business, but Eagle Machinery and Repair up in Michigan will support this machine. The table is 34 inches by 34 inches and it tilts left to right up to 30 degrees. The height under the blade is 10 inches and the throat is 36 inches. The blade has a stroke of 2.5 inches and travels at 865 strokes a minute, or my calculation is about 180 feet per minute. The machines will take blades from 6.5 inches long to 16 inches long. Attached to the blade guide is an air hose that blows the sawdust away from your cut. I'm going to demonstrate it cutting that piece of plastic right there. This saw has a 1 horsepower electric motor that's wired for 220 volts 3-phase, but it can be wired up for 440. It is a dual voltage machine. The overall floor space of this machine is 45 inches by 65 inches, and it's about 80 inches tall. And I'm guessing the weight to be around 1,800 pounds.